Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I am going to share with you a After Effects trick. So let me open my After Effects first. So this is my After Effects, and the trick is sometimes you open a project or working with a project, and that time you feel that the anchor point is missing, like this. This layer is selected but I can't see my anchor point. I guess everyone feel this problem, and this is very disgusting. So here is the solution, and you have to go to this view option, and after that you have to enable this option, so layer controls. So you have to enable this, or you just press Ctrl Shift H. This is the shortcut of this option. So now you can see that the anchor point is back. This is the anchor point, and you can move this by selecting pen behind to this. So that's it. This is a small trick which I want to share with you, and I guess it will help you. So thank you for watching this video.